If you want to verify your email in Bluesky social app, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead and open up the Bluesky. Click the three bars at the top left, and then you're gonna see the tools from the left. Go ahead and click the settings, and then click account, the first option. You're gonna see right here email, right? So I'm gonna click right here verify your email, okay? And you will receive an email at this email that you registered with, right? And I'm gonna just go ahead and click send confirmation, right? I'm gonna go back to my screen and then go ahead to my Gmail if I'm using Gmail or Outlook or whatever it might be. And then basically I'm gonna wait for a few moments, and as you can see, you're gonna see the non-reply email. I'm gonna copy that code right from here, and I'm gonna just go to the Bluesky, enter the code that you just copied, and then confirm. And now you just confirmed your email address. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.